दाबोळेचो आमदार माविनान पावसा पयलींच्या कामांक सुरवात केल्या. गटारां साफ करप, सिवरेजीची कामां, झाडां कापप. माविन म्हणटात चडशीं कामां जाल्यात आनी कांय हातान घेतल्यात. ती खंय पावसा पयलीं जातली. बिरेस्तारा ताची संबंधीत खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यां बरोबर बसका जाली.
It was a meeting, the panchayat along with officers from all the departments. I always take a pre-monsoon meeting to shore up things for the monsoon. We should be prepared, whether it is drainage, whether it is broken up pieces of footpath, or it is trees hanging on the wires, electricity wires which disrupts power. All these things are to be looked after. At the same time, it was also a follow-up to other ongoing works as well as new works, to speed up ongoing works and to take up new works where necessary. So that's why the meeting was called. And electricity is concerned, most of the works which was entrusted to them have been done, except now about 4 or 5 new transformers have been proposed along with the associated lines. Sewage is a major issue where areas are not covered. Those estimates are being drawn out. Roads, of course, you can't do anything much except for hot mixing, which is going on in some places. Rest of the works will happen after the monsoons. As far as other departments are concerned, those works also be reviewed and where necessary action has been taken.
घेऊया एक विराम.